Kalkasi Students Union KSU hakasan terik Jemang, kalarai ben pensangi Shwashipor ya kajingan ki syongkelan mungor baklembu pun, kabala sedang nadu tarik Jemang, hakamat ke Administrative Block ke Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences Negrims. Kani karai kelawan long hadin ke jing tuklar ke sorkar jela, bat hadin karai jong ki bor penyai ke Negrims, ban pensangi Shwa ya kajing thongkam hapuk ke Institute, dat haduk bandala ban penbet ikimat kibayadei berkajing dawa jong kaseng. Habakren syakilat patai kubor hadin kajingalang bala penya da menteri sorkar ubak poling do. Ha kajingadon lang kihe officer ke Negrims bat kinongelam ke KSU, chairman ke KSU Employment Cell Usamla Ruben Najer ulaong. Ngila shim ya karai ban pensangi Shwashipor ya kajingai ki jongi. Namar ngin haban bishari ki katu kat ni ki kot kisla badan kam, kibaya day baki mat jingdawa jong kaseng. Kan omlong kabaya hab ingi bangin dan hang ni, namar kanika kam kandang shim kumba katu kat ni por. Henry, kajinga ki kajongi kandang beteng biang lada ki bor penyai ke Negrims, kimla wan penurlong ya ki jingdawa hai kini kesingi ki banwan ulamaham.
Akabanang kongdu ngas ngoban pai kajinga ingo, coplay dragon ran, akaba uladan rangkat pani hai kini ki sengi kiba ipteng ya kani kajinga ki wajajar jongi angi po pelau jo kani Negrims. Pelong ya kaseng kaban sim ya kum kani senjam ada ya labun sien ponwan ila pen snow ila pa jing tho ya ketikiman kabang snow dei ban kedau pat ni snow dei ban dawa maka Negrims kani ban pendet nan supan kan mau akasngi kaba kaki su kawan ini nak lenti ba ka direktor on sa snow yet kaki di persnow sor jongka yang juga kasih sedunian rai kumbayetep itu kasngi ula pet aja kandien bat lamare pak sorong ba Delhi bat hadien bangi layo kasiti na kaliang sorkar bala siam je kasinjam ban long kata inisiatif ban pelong ini je kendu mta kasngi apoi sakawai kasiti na kaliang nini po Negrims kila a kaseng ban ong ban don terjin sosiet le se direktor ni kudu markmat ki isu mene kasngi ngaso bandong liang jong ki isu kala tika school ikino penyat di Negrims bat bila sim tuition akim dei ban ong ba inulam jong ki isu kem tba bat sudawa mala yak takimat jing dawa bas go sarong kalong bagi sim ya kenu kesenjam ada kakti gamon kakti kadiang jong thi wei pi dekot bagi ket ni pak yang kena pentah. Kajing yaki jong ki isu kamdai makaburam ni kajing yonong jong ki isu ndrai ade kajing yonong jong barok saransa kam ki tradai tremuluk kam ki kon jong beri nyu trap nomor kene kajaka suma wala kadai cakah kenong kenti jong sekarang dia badu ni hendrai kadon pat kendo siap jong beri nyu trap. Kajing yaker ya tayo mene aka meeting idon shibul de se tekiman ibelong very technical ibia beno pak sorkar India kabana kliang jong kinong pernya ibor jong Negrims jol se kimla pan simra andai kongsan kabaya kren ne kolong na kliang sorkar jala simkia kene kakam pati di kendia sngi ke sim ya ka appointment banyak kendu sorkar India rangkat kinong gelam jong ki isu akabang sio banyak tiar banyak ai khabni jing dawa jong ki isu idon katu kani imat kiba wiya kren le se kiba nakler jo seng ila sei ki saki satar apa sultanat kolong ba nak kibor penjat ki Negrims ham pendam trong ba nadu la sai kasngi nak liang jo kaseng sewan biang hengi peminulam ban ya pet iki ta ki bentang ba ka nengi na po Negrims ila pan le no marma beta ka ba hikmat pengiban mene kolong hot direktor di bawah penjat Negrims ki ong baru ni namla pan semi kirai kimat makidon kita bentang kebanap kata gaji menjur nak kau sekarang dia kacing ya keren cing ya ter cing ata ni lah keren syar bahaya kini ke rekrutmen wa mentah lapan sang ndai ba pendam ndai asu pensangi sipor katpa ini kimat jindawa jo ki isu empat poi syak cing stu jumut pat ni par yo uso pangi tang bat anur Jakarta nak yang direktor negeri bor Negrims ila kubur berka menjur ada kalian juga seng nam somtat bat kmi banya benta bang habale nomor mar bang sautu kamde hi kabasok ambat kijon ki puno ne hentai dai naduk la shai singi kam tanuk la shai na klian kaseng ni sawan biang bani kendu ipo penjat ni gerem bani sai ki kot islam bani penbet yak ki benta kiba kaseng kelabu khma joki bat ki bani mela bomla banle nang ni kumla keren nongko na klian sekar jala la kubur bat la shim ni kini jikit kli bahkan sedon kata litigation bani kendu sukaran ni ban penbet yak ki kimat ruan bangi kuak ba jing terekam jing lombek jarenti ang ni pung krem kolong pajat pajat renti kom ka jingi yap mer simut bat kam tam jingi ther ya tai ka ba nilayo ya ka ban pen kongu ya ka bo pajat krem ban priang bat ban kubur ya terima isu ki bolong song ni ba sonong rem na sobonong na kaliang jung di bor pajat ni krem kim ban se ban kubur bat kita ki ban tag ma krem nang kong ki bala ban le ni na dung la sai ka sngi ni sa song bat ki nong bor pajat ni krem ban pet bat mi benia ya ka ba taki pentai pala banle ngasale napat nam ta ka jimbet jingbiang kam tam nam ta ka jimun toy jong paro sarlansa kum kaseng kanam shong klikti kum kaseng kanam syukut kanrai ngenyai podien na ka por support wat de se wat takimat kipa pat long cispa na cispa hanrai ngasobondong na kaliang jong bor penjat ni grem ihap pan pendam menta kasengi aka jingether jingatai pat kaseng hi bro gowe halor pedang kita ke jingia merjum jingia ter jingia tai menai kasgi na kaliang ila sudai ya kaliang kasih isi akabani nang apru kata ka benlech po no ba hi ban yakran yakta kimat tu bakas na kaliang jopor ka dikrem kimla ban rai na kaliang jo kaseng sipor kam dai bangi penkot ndai sipor menta kasgi in sawengno ya kane ka set in bondition hangni po skul ni po jaka sumar ni po ni krem rikap semut ba kita kijing yaki to kaseng ila kot nrai isnotu ba ala penginyat ta kalenti ba kam tam bangin peteng yiru ya kawan budi ni dikam nang bangin yoi ba kita kijing dawa ba jingtrang to kaseng kelong bajai bet jadi ba kam tam kelong bajok maso banong kadai kabor ba ikhtiar jong pi wai ba yerham hajing mut seperkat ke jong pi kani skul kani ka jaka sumar ada jimen toy jong perlu persnam kam tam binong song snong jong jalai bro koi idon ki bakaran ini kisingi kiong balik ki isu balik yaki inti po ni grem dol se ka thot ngi samwan ni iban khang thadap yakene grem pan pandako jaka sumar ngi wan kum kadak peni ba ki bor penya jong grem kam tam kaskar india ka de besngap de sak skor itkimat ting dawa joka sengi bo koi asobanong ba nyemi nang ni kum ki samla mi ta jingkit kli bat ngek bakini jing dawa jo ki isu kniat ski biwan it's so long but it's so kuma karak me yapan sachisil naduk wa sai kasngi hi na liang jo ki isu in saban yaban ya pek ti kot isla kum ni panbet ei ti bentang bala le no marma ma kum bersoto lakren lapdo na liang samlarwen kita kino penjat ni krem ki habban kum kim tip jing don kita ki bentang ki jeng hukum telah permit lupa sekarang dia dan duduk rasanya sawan sim tuition susu dan direktor pada deputi direktor kenang baun soto pa kanegrem kamdai ganong keti kamdai pelau jongki hindai kebanyak pemgilenti ki ani kanun kam tam ki bakaseng lapan so kita kimat jengdawa kedi ben urlong pat kedi ben seso nam ta jimen toy jong barolang na ai ke jing kublai kerpang ya pi wei kum kui parat khot jenu yalam kajing esa bat kajiat halenti jong padai na sobanong kadai pentang kaba ngihap panjai peteng lada dai yangi banyak tekoi pat lentiru ni seperhat la kalong kanu bentar ya kibun pak isu henrai ya kene kemat jing dawa kawa kaseng kelabu akmat ngrem na sobanong kaldon halenti jong ka sakatong ar ikmi lenti bak ikei ki bangi ni trang bang yang dot penyipen ban kalong ka job ublei nu kerku nong abut ebor ya pi iwai kam tam jaka seng berkawai kajing ya kon jok kisu kam dai nam ta kaburam jaka seng berkawai hindai kadai nam ta kajing halang bat kajimen toilang jong ki pari ki paro persnam akleng jong ni beri hinyo terap
kajing keren kajing i ini kajing mi kajing keren momennya kemangyong hina dun ningkong kaseng kong lada pimla ban penhun ban penbiang ya kajing dawa jong kaseng kamut pensange swasipor ya kan dia kerukom kajing tungkam tungjam Namar ada pihak begini sekamat bagi jongi kena menyokam menteri kinyo bagi beliau. Namar pihak penwandur hakata karukom bah kini kerjin tungkam tungjam kendai ne bata kajing mentoi jeng kinong wei kinong ar. Iyo ada pimla ban penrung igini ki kendon di baai kaseng pensange sosipor tat hadur lala ban penbek ban menehi ka sengi hi ila pendam tuin bek ila kongo ban nada kimla ban kabe kimla ban penrung yang kini isu segini kimat jeng dawa juga seng kinom ya cakaman ha kani ka jeng tungkam tungjam. Ta kani ka bakongsan de ka bangilayo menne jadi bakongsan de kalau samla kembali ya tu pimina ngilai tang ngilai thir ngilai le ban pinbiet yang ngilai le ban phan yang ngilai le ban yalam bakla yang ngrai ngilalek de jipen kre ban mangiru ya ke baki yalam bakla ngilala ban phai nia kala par hadin ki hapas kapjar ban hab khaddu khadwai di hapan supongu be ya ke ba garai kami na to kejingalang kata kalau garai kebeningkong kalau bagi hapan khotno ya kata general council bakin song ini penbek hatul akan nukur kami penderung ini gimat cingkawa juga seng akan nukur kami tungkam tungjam balada kali ke governing council kamla kamu ke sorkar jala haban sim ke cikit li banlek banyak kendu ya ke ministry sapo Delhi banyak keren ni isu juga seng kenapa pajak juga beri nyok terap tinjo ya kata kecing mentoy ningkong ke sorkar ko kamla bentuk kelar po ni grims namar ba kadai juga sorkar pedeng Andre nomor kejengnya syak kejung PWPW kejengnya ki kejung PWPW kepelong yang sorkar bakampan sih ban hapan sim ya kejikit li kita bersim ya gini ke isu kita pengi jongka permentahi permenehi ke sorkar kelakular bahkan selek ban penru ya kini gini kimat jongka seng sepo sorkar pedeng Ministry of Health and Family Welfare bahkan ini kalau ke ba ngihap kalau ngepi bengihap pesngung ke sorkar jelaru bah Pinsuang bangimla pentular kemud pelong yang ini samla pada ingin long dukha ingin apa dia ang ni met meski tak ada pinpe ya skor betum juru kemangalap keren mene sapang jinglong jingban lang ni po jela jungi ibrio ki bawan napar wak harai ba pila banle kat pa pimon lang ni po ri jungi nomor kamdei kari ke jumpi kari ke jungi ada pimla ban penhun dan pimla ban yarap ban train yang peta ke bahak kamiat jumpa ke bri hunyok terap buat mut in buram me pi ringin long in penduk tiak penduk dem me pi in pensier mesti me pi begini maila ri pi watang menyuk kejat po ke bri nyok terap in sodan sibun ki kimat ki baka ki isu kan hapan siem perkani kal along pa keruak situ ba long di bala penkre nomor ke ki isu kan wan tidak gini kentir para samla kut no ini jingalang belukot jungi macha prang klor kari em slam upat ke bri nyok terap tu blai kur kulang i baro kublai sibun
The delegation from Khasi Students Union today, under the leadership of Minister Paul Indo and the other dignitaries from the officials from the government of Meghalaya, along with the director and deputy director of NIGRIMS, met in State Convention Hall. The initiative was taken by the state government to resolve this long pending issue, which the union has taken up. Although the issue ended up with many points being discussed, first and foremost the age limit, which was previously for any candidate to apply was 35 years, but now it has been limited to 30 years. As the union has stated, the sudden decrease in the age limit will cause a majority of the candidates not to be able to apply for such posts, and in the previous years most of the candidates were not able to apply for any post because of COVID and other reasons, and also in the Central Institute posts come once in 3-4 years. So limiting the age limit will also debar all these potential candidates who has completed their education not to be able to apply. And with regard to the NIGRIMS authorities, at first they were adamant with all the matters that the union has placed before them, but after the union has provided them with sufficient proof and evidences and documents from other institutes, other hospitals, they finally agreed to all those points. And especially when it comes to the male-female ratio, initially the NIGRIMS stated that it is the decision of the ministry, but the union is of the view that the Nigrims have the governing council. In the governing council, the members of the ministry from government of India also is present. So the government of the general council in itself can take decisions that will amplify or that will solve this matter. And the other matters are regarding the examination centers, that we have seen that candidates, although Nigrims is in Meghalaya, the posting is in Meghalaya, but we have to write our examinations in Guwahati, in Delhi and other states. This is very, very difficult, especially for those candidates who come from a lower income. This will be detrimental for them. So as a union, we suggested that we understand that Meghalaya does not have the proper infrastructure to conduct computer-based examination. So we offer that why not to do it an offline examination. In the previous years, 2022 and 2019, when the recruitment was taking place, everything was done in offline mode. We understand that yes, computer-based examination is the key to the future, but until unless we have a proper infrastructure, we cannot opt for such an exhaustive kind of examination. So we said that maybe it should allow that offline examination to take place. And the other matters also where we stated that we see in the advertisement the Nigrims officials stated that these posts are all backlog posts, meaning that these were from the previous posts which were not fulfilled or were not occupied by candidates. There was not qualified candidates in those years. That's why this recruitment take place, just to fill those backlog posts. The union stated that EWS, we see that there were 10 posts for EWS, but as it was suggested, these posts are not, EWS posts cannot be backlogged. There's the ministry order that EWS posts can only be advertised once. If there's no satisfied qualified candidates, it will be deleted. But we have seen that Nigrims authorities have continued with this. This is against the rule and procedure, and we have stated that we have shown them the orders from the ministries and everything, and they have finally complied to it. And finally, after the end of the discussion, although all these things cannot be solved in the meeting, but the Nigrims have taken a proactive step. The state government has taken a proactive step. We stated that there are some issues which can be solved within the ambit of the director and deputy director under the executive orders itself, that the Nigrims authorities are willing to do, and there are some matters that will be pending before the general council, and some matter which will be pending before the ministry when it comes to regard with the reservation, to enhance the reservation for the STs and other matters. As agreed upon, from the union, from the Nigrims have invited the union for dialogue. We'll be checking the roster register because we have pointed out that there were many ambiguity when we check the roster register. So they have invited us that we will check. From Kumburu itself, we will be working on several matters, key issues regarding the qualification of storekeeper, these nursing officers and other posts, because these posts is not only for nursing officer and there are other posts as well. The qualification given there does not sustain with the other institution. So all these matters will be taken up simultaneously, and like I said, other matters which are much more crucial will be dealt with the governing council and the ministry. The PSU has called off this protest and as of now, because they are still process. We have to process some of these documents and everything. So it will not be logical for us to stay out here because these things will take time. But we have not called this protest call off completely until unless our demands are met. If our demands are not met, then the protest will continue. But as of now, we have temporarily called it off.